Hi guys. So for today I'm making balut. This is the suka and this is the balut and this is the asin. And I'm gonna put this in. Gonna put this suka in the kuan. In the cup. This is the sauce in the salt. So let's start eating. I'm gonna crack the egg of the balut. Oh, this is the oh wow. This is the chicken of the balut. I'm gonna sup the sabaw. Yummy.
Sup the sabaw. And then
Tayo nagsuka. Yeah, salt.